Horizontal stretch wrapping machine. Horizontal wrapping packaging machine line packaging heavy goods. Improve production efficiency, continuous, uninterrupted packaging. Suitable for high-speed and efficient high-volume production packaging. Conveyor belt can be customized according to requirements. Horizontal stretch wrapping machine. Horizontal wrapping machine wrapping, steel pipe building materials. Double rotor winding packaging. Stronger and more efficient. Suitable for flow packaging of bulk regular items. Uniform winding and smooth movement. The packaging effect is beautiful. The bundle is strong and convenient for transportation.